Okay, let's look at a few multiplication problems. Okay, we're multiplying decimals, some are negative. Okay, we have negative 7.32 times negative 6.1. I'm going to ignore the negatives for a minute, and I'm just going to multiply 7.32 times 6.1. Notice I am not lining up the decimal points like I do when I add and subtract decimals. Okay, I'm just lining them up like I would regular whole numbers. Okay, so I'm going to start multiplying just like normal. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 7 is 7. So now I need to multiply by 6. I need to put a 0 down, or at least leave a space there if you don't put down a 0. Okay, start multiplying by 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1. Okay, so now I have 6 times 3, 18, plus the carried 1, which would be 19. Okay, put down the 9, carry the 1. And we have 7 times 6 is 42, plus the 1, 43. Okay, so now we're going to add these up. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Let's see, 9 plus 7 would be 16, carry the 1. So that would be 3 plus 1, 4, and 4. Okay, so the decimal point. That's what messes some kids up. To figure out where the decimal point goes, find out how many digits follow the decimal points up here in your problem. Okay, all together, how many digits follow a decimal point? Okay, there's 3. Altogether, there's 3 digits that come after the decimal points up in your problem. So in your answer, there needs to be the same total number of digits after the decimal point. Okay, so 3. So I need to put the decimal point so that there are 3 digits that follow it. Okay, so I need to put the decimal point right there. 44.652. Okay, so that's the answer to my decimal multiplication. Now I need to think about the sign. Okay, negative times a negative. Okay, those two numbers have the same sign. And you know that when you multiply two numbers, if they have the same sign, like both of them be a negative, like this one, the answer is positive. Okay, so this answer is the correct answer, a positive 44.652. Okay, let's take the next one. I did this on purpose. The 732 and the 61 are exactly the same, so we don't actually have to go through the multiplication again. Okay, you notice that? It's exactly the same digits. So I know that the bottom row, again, would be 44652. Okay, so now the decimal point. Count the number of digits that follow the decimal point in both of the numbers up there. Okay, there's 2 digits that follow a decimal point, so there must be 2 digits that follow the decimal point in your answer. So that's 446.52. Okay, so we're almost done. Now we need to think about the sign. We have a positive times a negative. Okay, whenever we have 2 numbers that we're multiplying and the signs are different, okay, the answer is going to be negative. Okay, so this answer would be negative 446.52. Okay, try the next example on your Draw It, and please keep me posted if you have any questions.